CFGC Buddi. Today we have discussed about partnership deed and limited liabilities partnership deed. Partnership deed is an agreement between the partners of firm that outlines of terms and condition of partnership among the partners. It specifies the various terms such as profit or loss, sharing, salaries, interest on capital, drawings, admission of new partners. As per the Partnership Act 1932, it is not compulsory to register to partnership firm, so it is always advisable to draw up the written partnership deed and register to the firm. Contents of partnership deed: name and address of the partnership firm, name and address of the partners, nature of the business proposed by the firm, amount of capital to be contributed by the each partners, the profit sharing ratio among partners during of partnership if any, amount of salary or commission payable to any partners for his service to the firm, rate of interest allowed to the partners on their capital, rate of interest to be paid on drawings by the partners. The name of LLP constituted under the deeds as amended time to time and shall be deemed to be have considered. 1. The 19th day of September 2019, the name of LLP shall have the common seal to be affixed of documents as defined by partners under the signature of any of the designated partners. LLP full form: Limited Liabilities Partnership. Examples: small and medium scale enterprises, professional firms, voucher business, family operated business, information technology firms. An LLP agreement is agreement between two or more individuals or business who would like to manage and operate a business together in order to make profit. If the partnership incurs a liabilities, the partners are responsible for it. LLP advantages: no requirement of minimum contribution. There is no minimum capital requirement in LLP, no limited on owners of the business, lower registration cost, no requirement of compulsory audit, dividend distribution tax not applicable.